This video is to tell you about a condition called dysphagia. This will be explained by Brian. Do your thing, Brian.
Thank you. Dysphagia is the medical term for difficulty swallowing. Some people with dysphagia have problems swallowing certain foods or liquids, while others cannot swallow at all. Dysphagia is often caused by another condition, such as a condition affecting the nervous system, cancer, gastroesophageal reflux disease. Dysphagia can also occur in children as a result of a developmental or learning disability. Dysphagia can also be caused by tensing of the body while eating or drinking. Your body may be tensing because of stress, worry, emotional upset, shock, anxiety, or depression. Your dysphagia may also become more noticeable if you think or worry about it. The symptoms of dysphagia include coughing or choking when eating or drinking, not being able to swallow, pain when swallowing, a tight sensation in the throat, bringing food back up, sometimes through the nose, and a sensation that food is stuck in the throat or chest. Longer-term symptoms may include unexplained weight loss, developing repeated and frequent chest infections. Dysphagia can lead to malnutrition and dehydration. Dysphagia can also lead to a bacterial chest infection called aspiration pneumonia. It can also affect a person's quality of life because it may prevent them from enjoying meals.
Wow, sounds horrible. Thanks guys for watching.